Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix there is an issue with your iPhone's ability to use Face ID. So guys, if you have this type of problem on your iPhone, so guys, as you can see here, when I am going to use Face ID, clicking on this one, and guys, now you will see when I am going to set up my Face ID facing this issue again and again. So guys, easily you can fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, you have to open your settings here, click on general, and guys, you need to click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset, and you need to reset all settings. And from here, the second method is you have to click on software update, and guys, you need to check for update. If you have any kind of update here, you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if this problem is occur when you have update your iPhone to latest iOS version, so guys, simply you have to downgrade your iOS version, and guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing all the methods, if still not fix your problem, you have to contact with Apple support. So guys, if you have this app Apple support, simply you have to open this app, and guys, if don't, you have to open an internet browser and search in that browser support.apple.com. So guys, I have this app. Simply you have to open your app, select your gadget here, scroll it down, click on more. From here you need to find Face ID. So guys, as you can see here, you have to open your Face ID here, and after this you have to scroll it down. Here is the option of call. You have to click on call, and guys, first of all you need to call at this first number, and guys, if not responding, you need to call at second number. And guys, when you have contact with your Apple support, you need to tell them your problem that you are facing related to Face ID, and guys, after this they will fix your problem within few minutes. So guys, after doing this method, if still not fix your problem, maybe your Face ID has been physically damaged. So guys, you need to check your iPhone to expert mechanic, and guys, your problem will be fixed. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.